Hello, we're continuing through Edexcel's 2020 paper 2 from the higher tier in Maths GCSE, and we're on question 19, and this is a question about iterative formula. So we're told that we've got a hot air balloon that's descending, and it says that the height of the balloon n minutes after it starts to descend is given by this h with a small subscript n, and it says that the height of the balloon n plus 1 minutes after it starts to descend is given by this h with a n plus 1 subscript. And we're given this iterative formula, h n plus 1 equals k, where k is a constant, times h n plus 20. And what that actually means is the height is equal to k times a constant times by the previous height. So that's all it really means, the height in the previous minute. If we put that into our formula, it will give us the new height 1 minute later. So what we need to do first from the information that we're given, because we were actually told that the balloon starts to descend from a height of 1200 meters at this time, and it says that 1 minute later, at 0916, the height is 1040 meters. So we're going to use that initial information to let us work out the value of k. So that's our first job, working out the value of k there. And I can do that just by putting these values in. So I can say, well, the height at 0, the original height, was the 1200. So I've got k times the 1200 plus 20, and then the height 1 minute later we're given there, so this is a height at 0916, is actually 1040 meters. And what we've got now is an equation from which we can work out the value of k. So I'm just going to subtract 20 from both sides to begin with, minus 20 there from both sides, and that's going to give us 1020 equals k times 1200, and then if I just divide both sides by the 1200, that's going to give me that k is equal to 1020 divided by 1200. And I'm just going to work that out on the calculator over 1200, just work out what that is. So it's cancelled down as a fraction, but we can get that as a decimal, so 0.85. So what that gives me then is the value that I can put into the formula there. So I can say, well, h, just using the notation that they've got here on this line, I can say hn plus 1 is actually equal to 0.85 times the previous height, which is hn, plus 20. And now what we're asked to do is find the height of the balloon at 0918. So really that's 2 minutes after this height we're given at 916. So what we can do is we can first of all find the height at 917. So height at 917. So I'm just going to, at 0917, I'm just going to denote it like that. 0917 is going to equal 0.85 times the height at 0916, which was 1040, and then just add 20 onto it. So it's just a case of substituting into the formula there. So again, I've got to just go back to the calculator. So I'm just going to substitute that into the calculator. So I've got 0.85 times 1040, and then plus the 20, and we've got 904. So that gives us the height at 0917, which is 904. And then we've got to repeat the process to find the height at 0918. So we'll just go 0.85 times, and in this case, it's not the 1040, it's actually the 904 that we put into the formula. So 904 plus 20. So if we do that, we can just put it into the calculator again. And if I do that calculation, that's what I get as a fraction, but I actually just need it as a decimal. So there we go, 788.4 meters. So that's our height at 0918. And we've done it. That's the question completed. So I hope that's been helpful to you. And if it has, please give our video a thumbs up and also consider subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching.